Hi guys, this is Sushmita, your very own crypto guide, and today I'll be talking about KYC. KYC stands for Know Your Customer or Know Your Client. KYC is a standardized process by which financial institutions establish the authenticity of their potential customer and clients. The idea behind KYC is to perform background screening procedures and prevent financial institutions from being used intentionally or unintentionally for fraudulent activities like money laundering and funding unlawful activities. KYC also helps these institutions assess the customer's financial health, potential risk analysis, and management. KYC is usually done by verifying the identity and address of potential customers or clients. From 2004, the Reserve Bank of India made it mandatory for banks, financial lenders, stockbrokers, and other financial institutions to conduct stringent KYC procedure before onboarding new clients. Two types of KYC used in India are eKYC and in-person verified KYC. In-person verified KYC or offline KYC is done by personally verifying the required unique identity documents and address proof. eKYC can be carried out online by uploading the necessary documents. eKYC is a very convenient and a time-saving process and is being widely adopted. With the changing financial landscapes, UPIs, e-wallets, and the crypto exchanges also need mandatory KYCs for their customers. Some common documents accepted in KYC process in India are Aadhaar, passport, voter ID, driving license, recent bank passbook, and recent utility bills. So this was all about KYC. To know more about such technical terms, do write in our comment section below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.